Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel The Indian Dev, and I am Ayush. So guys, as you can see that in this video we're gonna learn about the restrictions with JSX. So yes, we will be using JSX for creating the UI elements for our ReactJS development. So in the previous video I have discussed about things like how what is JSX and how JSX work behind the scene. So if you guys haven't watched that video, then make sure then to watch that video. Now jumping on to this restrictions with JSX. Yes, the very first thing is like we cannot use the class keyword like that we usually use in the HTML. So we cannot use class keyword inside this JSX because we are writing this sort of code inside a JS file, and inside JavaScript we already have a keyword class that is for the actual classes, the class and object concept. So we cannot reuse the class keyword here. So React has suggested that we need to use class name for JSX. We can also see here that in the HTML, the final HTML, the class name is always with the class keyword, because in HTML class keyword is totally fine, but in JSX we cannot use class name. The next thing is, like, if I just wanted to write here that I just wanted to write a paragraph like thank you. Thank you. Then you will see that some sort of errors are there, and you can read it here that JSX expressions must have one parent element. So this is the second restriction from React.js, or we can say from JSX. So we cannot return two tags from one component. So what it takes is like we need to always wrap things inside a single root element. So if I will be writing the parent div here, then we can return both of these, like this div and this para tag. So we cannot return multiple, or we can say like more than one element or component from a particular component. We need to wrap it into a single unit. So this is again another restriction. Like a future in this course we will see that how we can like overcome this, and how like React has suggested the way to overcome this situation. So this was the second restriction for JSX. Like if I now I will be removing this, I will format this code again, and the code is same. Yeah, restrictions with JSX. Now the thing is like initially in the initial versions of React, it was very much necessary to import React while we are using JSX, because like at the end JSX compiles to this react.create element, so React import was required. But now if I just remove this React and save this file, and the code is being compiled, once it's compiled I will be back to my browser, and I'll like again refresh this. So you can see that the code is same and the things are fine, there is no error. So from like in the latest versions of React, like I'm using React 17.0.1, that is again the recent version of React. So we need not to like import React again and again, it will automatically add React, because React knows that without importing React it is not possible to like work with this. So yes, these were some sort of restrictions from JSX. I hope you guys now know about JSX and the restrictions from JSX, so it will be helpful in terms of developing the components in the next videos and in the next development cycles. So yes, thank you for watching this video, guys. Like if you guys like learned any of the stuff from my videos, then please make sure to like and share this video. Thank you for watching.